How to log into Grubhub account. Hello everybody. If you guys are also wondering and wanting to log into Grubhub, you may follow up this step. So first of all, you may head over to Grubhub application or even the website. And once you're right there, you may locate at the sign in option. If you do not find it directly on the home page, you can look out for the account option here. Tap on it. And once you do, at the very top, we have this option of sign in. You may tap on it. And here it will give you option. So if you have not created an account, even if you continue with Google, Amazon, Facebook, or anything, it will basically create an account. But in order to sign in, also, you just need to follow up the same process. So you may just go ahead and continue with Google, Amazon, or Facebook that you used in order to create your account previously. After that, you can just go ahead and continue the process, and you will be directly logged in. So for example, I have continued with Google. So let me just go ahead and continue with Google and select one my account. And once you do so, it will start processing and it will redirect you to the particular application directly. You can see I have already been logged in. You can head over the home page and now start accessing the application and head over and order from your favorite restaurants, the favorite food dishes and cuisines that you would like to order. So that's it. You may follow up this process if you would like to log in your Grubhub account as well. It is pretty quick and easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.